Try that we could be somewhere to climb this won't long as you around me. I swear that everything will be just fine. I wish that we could take some time. Hey yo, what's good, my savage people? And today there's a slime collection 2017 coming at you. Is you ready? I think y'all ready. Y'all savage enough. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, we will be starting with this purple one. If y'all can see. I do have them in these little containers. I think I bought them at the store. It is purple. It's really stretchy though, but keep in mind that I guess this one I did make with acrylic paint, so it does stink, and it actually does, like, you see, like, this is what it leaves in my hand. That's why I don't be putting acrylic paint in my slime no more. So this is what it does. It is really stretchy. It's really stretchy. Oh yeah, and at the end I might put I might do some ASMR for you guys. So this one is I don't have names for them because it's really stressful. Well, that was this purplish bluish. So on to the second one. This is a clear pink with glitter. This actually does have glitter. That's the pink, but it is really actually like extra stretchy. I love this one. I guess I did put a name on this one. It's Melted Barbie. It's Melted Barbie. So it is really stretchy and glittery. I guess I put glitter, but I guess this is not enough glitter for me, so I actually dumped the whole bottle in there. And yeah, this is what was in the Melted Barbie. So this is a mint, I think this is like a turquoise. This is a minty one. I put like shaving cream on top. It didn't do anything though. I don't think this is fluffy. This one has black sparkles. And I think this one sticks to your hands too. I guess I don't know how to measure the borax. Well, this actually did melt because it was actually stiffer. No, I did not put it in hot water. It's like the stretchiest one in my collection. This is the stretchiest one and the stickiest one, you see. Stretchy. On this one, I think I dumped the whole bottle of the black glitter too. So I need to go buy more glitter because. So this is how it looks. It's like kind of a minty. And then it has black sparkles in it. So that is the slime. It's the stretchiest one I've ever made. I was actually so proud of this one because it was like my third attempt for making the stretchiest slime. This is how it looks like. It's the runniest one. I mean, yeah, the runniest one, basically. The chocolate chip mint ice cream. That's what I named it right now. So yeah, this was the chocolate chip mint ice cream. On to the fluffy blue one. I did put actually shaving cream in the top, so that's why it's like spongy in the top. This one is like this one is, my bad. This one is like a
This is, I actually put shaving cream on this, which means it is a fluffy slime. It's crunchy though. It's not really stretchy. I might have messed up the borax thing. It does have sparkles in it, I guess, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Let's hear it, please. You see, you hear it? They're like bubbles, air bubbles. I am gonna fix it though. I still like it because I just poke it. I don't really get it out, so it doesn't do much. So this is how it looks like. It is a pastel blue with holographic glitter, if y'all can see it. So yeah, this was the pastel blue with holographic glitter in it.